You did a great job retaining it. I did not think a Spanish fly through a table was coming. I did not think a Canadian destroyer was coming. But yet this guy retained the title inside the penetration chamber only to be attacked by some Zalgo, some pajama suit son of a... What is even happening?
I don't know, but he attacked me, and he says he's coming for me and my title. Are you letting that son of a bitch take my title?
Hey, we're done with masked son of a bitches. Now we got... First we had TikTok Terrifier, then we have Son of TikTok Terrifier, and now we have Zalgo. And now we have these two turd bags coming at us.
I don't want it.
You know what we'll do?
What?
We'll bash them bitches up at Fat Lame.
Yeah!
Babe, what do you think? Huh?
Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Right?
Whoa. Why does it look bigger?
Because I used the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0. I buzzed down the bush so the tree can stand tall. And if any of you guys out there want to buzz down your bush to impress your love interest, get the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0, the perfect package. And you can use discount code GRIM at checkout to save 20% and get free shipping. The link is in the description. Now, let's go climb that tree. The following contest is a qualification match for the ladder match at Grimomania.
AJ's back, baby.
Now entering the ring, it's one of our newest comers here in GTS. It's Air J. Entering his first ever penetration chamber match, and his opponent, hailing from Philadelphia, PA. This is Filthy Mike Swampass. Swampass.
The game changer of professional wrestling has returned. Here to steal the goddamn show again, and goddamn that pyro smells terrible. Let's do this.
Smells like your ass. It's actually your ass that we smell.
That's what you're smelling every day.
Block up the cage, and let's get this matchup underwear.
I can't believe GTS debuts in a cage.
Right? All right, here we go. Fight. Air J getting a steel cage penetration chamber match here against Filthy Mike Swampass. The lockup here. Look at this. Takes his ass over.
That was intense.
Oh my God, look at this. Air J wrapping him up. He's got that motherfucker now. Tap. Oh, he just punched him in the fucking nose. Here we go. Air J going after Filthy Mike Swampass. Ooh. Fans love this Air J. He's a good dude. But Filthy Mike Swampass, being the asshole that he is.
Come on, get up, AJ. What are you
Oh, Jesus.
Knee lift to the face of this fuckface.
Rearrange RJ's grill.
Boom! Suplex by Filthy Mike Swampass.
Piece of shit, but goddamn, that was beautiful.
That was a good suplex.
Unfortunate textbook material.
Oh God, what's he doing? Why is he going up the rope? There's no escape of this cage. It's pinfall or submission only. He was probably going to jump on his ass, but no, Air J's like, fuck your leaps. Fuck your leaps. We got him. 1, 2, oh! Motherfucking Swampass! Kick out of there! Shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Air J gave it his all.
Caution to the wind.
Air J! Air J! Air J! Air J! Come on, baby. Oh! Suplex!
Not gonna stop there.
Hog has something coming for him. That Intercontinental title is mine, motherfucker. Coming up next time on GTS. You know what? Fat Lame. Me and Hog. Intercontinental title. Oh!
Jesus.
you say the way he dropped him?
Brain buster.
That is not the textbook way to do it. That's the way you fucking kill somebody. Holy shit. Here it is. Oh! 1, 2. The shooting star elbow by AJ. This is incredible. Oh, Air J. Fisticuffs.
Mike pushed him off.
Mike Swanson, Philly Mike Swamp Ass, Filthy Mike Swamp Ass. We can smell his ass from here. Oh! Air J goes back to the corner. Look at this shit. Oh, God damn it. What's he gonna do here? Oof. Filthy Mike getting beat in the belly now. Beat his belly. Dropped his ass. Air J! Good night, asshole. Oh! He landed on his fucking head. Oh my God. 1, 2, and a kick out. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
How is that not enough?
How is that not enough?
I slip because he deserves it.
Yes. Hook the leg. Oh, shit. Filthy Mike is up.
Get him, Mike.
People are going to think his name is actually Filthy Mike Swamp Ass because he has a filthy ass. He is a swamp ass, but he's really Philly Mike Swanson.
You should be in the grave.
Oh my God, he's changing the game here, destroying Air J, one of our newest talents, trying to gain some traction, trying to qualify to go to Grimomania, but Filthy Mike Fuckface has to be a fuckface because he's a fuckface. Oh, duck it! Oh! Clothesline to the back of the skull. Cover. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Was that the lethal injection?
I'll tell you what.
Shades of Conroy Creek. Could you believe it?
That right there.
Fuck you, Mike. Fuck you, Mike. Fuck you, Mike. Filthy Mike Swamp Ass going to Grimomania in that ladder match.
That was it? That was your fucking challenge?
You're not shit, Mike.
So let me the fuck out of this!
A fan keeps showing up here to GTS Wrestling and has been disrupting our taping.
Holy shit! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Run!
Come into the Regal Rumble! Come on, they put you through a fucking table! Huh?
Whoa! Whoa!
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
What do you give a fuck if I murdered Jared Connors and buried him in the woods?
His dad?
His dad? And you know what? I'm sorry I killed your dad, but in the penetration chamber, bitch, I'm gonna kill you. How about that? I want penetration chamber. Grim versus TikTok Terrifier inside the cage. And I'm gonna unmask your ass. And if you're not down with that, we got 3 words for you. Beat it, yeah!
A lot of people keep asking where they can get replicas of the GTS Wrestling Championship belts. Well, I'm going to put the link in the description below. I get them from United Brothers Belts, but guys, they're very expensive. You're not going to get one of these super high quality replica belts from GTS Wrestling for like $10 or $100. They're a couple $100, guys, just like WWE Championship replicas, but they're well worth the money, and you can be the YouTube Wrestling Figures Heavyweight Champion. You could be the GTS Intercontinental Champion, the old school belts. You can get customized, different color straps, everything. Link in the description below.
And now, coming to the ring, it's Onslaught. Onslaught is ready to take apart Marksman. You gotta end
Rest
this.
in peace, MF Doom. And after today, it's gonna be rest in peace, Ace Marksman. He's been running his mouth, and I'm gonna make sure he stops today, Grim.
Yeah, I don't want him talking about how bad I am. I'm not bad. I'm a good guy. Good guy, Grim. We need to end his fucking
And
ass.
GTS is the shit, and we ain't going nowhere.
I'm counting on you. I'm counting on Onslaught. Entering the ring. And his opponent.
Jesus!
It's the motherfucker representing Lubricate Wrestling. Ace Fuckface
beard bitch. Don't give him fire. Stop fire, guy. It's Lick Taint Wrestling. Ace fucking Marksman. The bearded bitch. There it is. LTW. Lick Taint Wrestling. Yeah, what this motherfucker doesn't realize is that I'm the man that gets the head under the table, and he's nothing but a licked taint.
Yeah, and I'm the guy that's gonna lock him in this son of a bitch.
Yeah, lock it up, too hot. Lock it up deep. Here we go. The match we've all been waiting for, and we're about to. Marty Jannetty. We call him Farty Jannetty. Farty Jannetty. Let's get this matchup underway. Here we go. Marksman throws him off. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh. 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 Holy shit. For you. Here it is. Eat steel, you sack of shit. Oh. Onslaught fucks him up.
The leg drop, brother.
1, 2. Come on, Carl, you big bald bastard, and this bearded garbage beard bitch. Yeah, I'm Hogan. I'm the fucking Hogan here. There he goes. Make him eat the steel. Oh, drop kicked his ass. Marksman now. Trying. Ooh. Marksman now. Oh. Oh. Leg drop. 1, 2. Oh, my God, that was way too close. That was way too close. Come on, Onslaught. What are you doing, man? Boom.
Get your ass over there. Wild and crazy.
Yeah, he's wild and crazy. Remember that horrible gimmick? Oh, lasted for 2 weeks. Marksman.
Oh, coming our way.
Oh!
Jesus Christ, damn, man, delivered.
That bitch tossed into the ropes by his beard.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the big boot. Make him eat your feet, motherfucker.
Good, guess what?
Here we go. Oh, God, what's he got? What's he got? Oh.
You got a little trick.
What is this?
I'm gonna make sure he never talks again.
Oh, he's going to pull his tongue out. He's going to pull his tongue out.
No, son of a bitch.
We talked about this. We talked about this.
Get your back down of my mouth.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure. Oh, shit. God damn it. Come on, Onslaught. Get the fucking pliers and get his fucking tongue removed so he can't talk. Wait, you might gotta break his fingers too. He might be able to type.
Yeah.
But he won't be able to talk to Tex, and he won't be able to type if we break his fingers and rip out his tongue. Onslaught's like, fuck you. Oh! Into the solid steel. Oh! From behind. Onslaught! Oh my God, what's he doing now? Off the ropes! Tuck of the line! No, he reversed it! You fucking bitch! Ducks the line! Ducks it again! Garbage beard bitch! 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 Cover! 1, 2, yeah! Come on, Marksman! You can lose! Come on, Marksman! Lose this match! Die! Oh, he's got him now! He's put him in it! There he goes! Remove it! Remove it from his face! Oh, yeah! There we go! I got it! Holy shit! What the fuck is RJ doing up there? Get this open! Get this open! Oh! Get this open, Duhop! I gotta get in there! Get this open! Hurry up! Oh my God! RJ just fucking killed him! No, we can't have this fucking lick taint wrestlers gonna. Come on, Duhop today! Undo the goddamn lock!
I'm trying, Grim, I'm trying. It's fat.
Open the fucking lock! What is wrong with you, too stupid? Oh no! Oh, a spear!
Come on, get him open. It's open. Get him open. Get him open. Oh my God, what's he doing?
I'm trying.
Here, take the goddamn.
I got the camera. I got the camera. Here, you get it open. You get it open.
Oh, fuck you.
Grim, get him. What the hell? Gary, get him, Grim. Come on, jump him.
What are you doing? What are you
This is out of
doing?
control, Grims. This is out of control.
No, get
This is
out.
really
Get
out of
out.
control.
No, get out.
This is too
I
much.
thought-
It's too much. It's too much, Grim.
I've come in to get you out. Come on, out.
This is too much. I have to up.
One-on-one. One-on-one, motherfucker. Get out.
Oh, Jesus.
This fucking guy getting involved in the match. God damn it. Lock him up. Here we go. Lock him up. Whoa, no. Oh, shit. Oh. He hit him with a cutter. 1, 2, 3, no. God damn it. Let me in there. God damn it.
Anybody can get it. No, you're Grim, wait. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh my God! Here we go! It's everybody! Good, everybody! Pull him aboard! Pull him aboard! Get him out of there! Grim's got it, Sam! He's got it, Sam! He wants Ace!
Let me at him.
Grim lost his mind! Oh, Ace is back on him! Pull him aboard!
Hey.
Pull him aboard! Pull him aboard!
Get him out of the cage. Okay, we're up. Huh? You think this is funny? You think this is funny, Marksman? Far from over, huh? How about this, fuckface? Me and you, Grimomania, bitch.
Oh!
Promoter versus promoter. I'm a fucking end you.
Get him, Grim, get him! Come on! Oh, shit! All right, pull him aboard! Get him out of there! It's Grimomania! Shut up!
It's over, Grim. Come on. Kill him. That's enough, Grim. Come on. Come on.
Get him out! Oh, shit!
It's over, Grim.